Wish you could pick dates in Excel by clicking a calendar? No complex VBA code, no calendar add-in, and no content control. That dream just came true. This is Excel Online right now, rolling out to desktop soon. Here is how it works. Select your range, then format it as date, either from the Home tab. You can select a short date or a long date, or from the Format Cell dialog box, or by using the shortcut Ctrl-Shift-3. Now double-click any cell in that range, and a native calendar pops up. Navigate month, in the past or in the future, or select today's date. Click a date, done. Zero typing. Got a cell with an old date already in it? Double-click it, and it opens straight to that month. Editing is just as fast as entering new dates. Do you have this on Excel desktop yet? Comment below. I read everyone. And follow for more Excel tips that save you time.